Are you looking to grow your live stream on Twitch, YouTube, or one of the other multiple various platforms that are out there, and you don't want to spend money, but you need to get your stream promoted in some way, shape, or form? If so, we've got 5 awesome tips that are going to help you self-promote your stream without spending any money. Let's roll that intro. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 huge tips to help you self-promote your stream and get it out there to other people. That way you can grow your live stream, whether that's on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Gaming, Trovo, or any of the other various platforms that are out there. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Started with the tried and true one is social media. Go ahead and utilize your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you have out there, and be sure to share your stream and be active on those social media platforms so you have more people likely to check out your accounts and check out your past tweets, posts, and whatever they may be. Number 2 is Discord servers. This is becoming one of my favorite things because we are building a growing community over on the How To Tech community Discord. You guys can check that out in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out. We have over 500 members and we are growing daily super fast, honestly. And the reason why I suggest Discord servers is because something like the How To Tech Discord server has a place where you can share your streams where other people can find them. So just go ahead, go in there, go to the Going Live page and just paste your stream in. And there's other Discords out there that let you do the same thing. Now, while this is a good self-promotion, there's another way that you can utilize Discord. The way that I would suggest utilizing Discord is actually making your own server and trying to bring your fans and viewers over to there. That way you can share from there whenever you go live. They'll get mobile notifications and even notifications on their desktop whenever you go live. You probably knew this next one was coming, and that is YouTube. I mentioned this a lot to people, and that is if you are good at anything, utilize YouTube to show off your skills and help people learn. So if you're good at playing video games, go ahead and show them your best tips on how you, say, play well in that video game. If you're good at arts and crafts or any kind of making music or something like that, and that's what you plan on streaming, go ahead, make videos on those. And even if that's not what you're streaming, you can still make videos on stuff you're good at and then say, hey, if you want to chill and relax and watch me game, go ahead and check out my Twitch, link down below. Also, if you guys want to, check out my Twitch and my Trovo, link down below. Number 4 is in-game. And why I say in-game is because a lot of you out there are gamers and you're playing video games and you're playing in matchmaking online with other people, if not hundreds of people a night. And what are you not doing? You're not sharing your stream. These people might get off that next game or they might just be interested to see who they're playing with. So go ahead and add to your accounts, whether that is on Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Battle.net, and all of the various different platforms, maybe even Steam, and change your name if possible to your stream. And this is a great way to go ahead and get people over to your stream. My last tip is to share your highlights, and this might be difficult depending on what game you're playing or if you're a very busy person and you don't have time to go back and clip stuff. Well, I've got something actually very interesting for you. If you haven't watched my previous video, then go ahead and check it out because I talk about this AI platform called Athena-Scope that literally scours through your gameplay and gets highlights for you. Pretty awesome. It's only compatible with certain games, but compatibility is growing every day, so definitely check that out. And then also, there's ways inside of platforms such as Twitch to go ahead and press a button and it'll go ahead and make a clip of like the last 25, 60, or even more seconds. So that is another easy way to go ahead and get your highlights. And what do you do once you have your highlights? Well, what I would suggest is following the practices of some of the stuff we've already mentioned in this video. So go ahead and make YouTube videos out of them, share them to your social media accounts, share them inside those Discord servers, and even talk about them in game to get more people to check out your clips and move over to your stream. So yeah, guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed if you aren't already. And if you guys aren't in our community Discord, go ahead and check it out, link down below. And if you guys haven't checked out my live stream before, I've got links to my Trovo stream and my Twitch stream down there as well. Go ahead and check it out. Trovo is kind of my main platform I'm messing around with right now, seeing how it is so I can make more videos for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos just like this, talking about streaming and theory on streaming and what you guys can do to help take your stuff to the next level, then get subscribed here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys later. Peace.